color. Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a get ready with me. I feel like this is gonna be a bi-weekly, possibly weekly thing because it's my favorite video to film. By the way, my ear's getting a little red because I scratched it. Anyways, my face is done, my brows are done, my lips are done. Everything will be listed, you know the drill, down below. And I'm just gonna be using some new eyeshadows. So we're gonna be focusing on eyes today. MAC. I think for this video I normally just list it down below, but I'll at least tell you what I'm putting on my eyes, so if you want to refer back to the previous one you can. Let's get started. What look do I want to do? This first shade is going to be my Tweedy. I find pinks in the crease to be very flattering, especially if it's like a brown pink or like a neutralized pink. You guys know what I'm talking about. Can you believe I'm posting? Because I can't believe it. Like I'm a new person. Who is this girl posting YouTube videos? Like she be gone. Thought she left the room. My legs are so freaking sore. Yesterday when I went to the gym, it was leg day. No, leg day is the worst day for the gym. I do upper body, lower body split, and I hate it when it's leg day because I get a good sore during upper body workouts, but I'm like dead on leg days. The thought of going to the restroom just to pee is like, do I really have to? Yesterday, I forget, I was on Instagram or was it YouTube, and it was about like current trends for hair, and I felt like my mom when I was younger, and I would tell her like these are the new trends, and then she would tell me like those were styles from when I was younger. And I feel like that's what the new generation is doing now. They're reviving styles that I grew up with, like the Leonardo DiCaprio hairstyle. That's coming back. I see all the boys pulling them hairstyles. What is his name? Ryder Strong. You know what I'm talking about? Like those hairstyles for men are coming back. And then the Rachel blowout. I personally love the Rachel blowout style. I've loved that. I think it's classic, but I can't pull it off because I don't have hair. But I just found it interesting. Like I'm that generation now. Raw. Oh, this next shade that I'm using, Royal Rendezvous. I miss being youthful, you know, like when we were younger and you would go to a library, and then to find a book you'd have to sift through that little drawer thing. I wonder if kids know how to use a library now. I'm pretty sure some do, but I mean, times have changed. Probably thinking like, why do I need to go to the library? I can just go on my phone. They'll probably create like a Google Maps for a library. Turn left on aisle 3. Continue walking 0.2 seconds. You have reached your destination. Enjoy your reading. Do you guys remember, like, you know, if we're from the same generation, remember those 3 disc changers, and it will like ring, 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 and then they'll change the CD. You like that sound effect? It's so fun because you would like flip through your CD binder and be like, ooh, which 3 should I put in? What's gonna be my mix for today? Sometimes they get lights on them. I think if kids see that now, they'd be like, was that really necessary? The answer is yes, damn it. Or MySpace. You remember MySpace? With this really old graphic. Love, or like girl power flashing with like a heart. The real kicker in the conversation is if you know what ASL means. I wonder if I can still fold. Let me see. Let's see if I can still fold a letter. So what you do is you do one of these first. Is it back or forward? I think it's back, like this. So it looks like this. See that? And then the crease is here, the little line, so you fold this part backwards like that, and then you just continue folding it. And so now you have this little flap here, and you fold this baby back in front of it, and then you tuck it in the little gap, and then you press it, and then you write pull. These were the DMs. This held all the secrets. You don't want people reading your stuff. You want private messages. That's what this is. Private message back in the day. Okay, so we're here, and I think I'm gonna do a lid shade. I'm gonna do Yes to Sequins. Now, while we're on the, ooh, damn, that is shiny. While we're on the topic of days of old, why the hell, someone needs to answer me this, riddle me this, why the hell is the mullet coming back? Why? No, there is no way to make a mullet look cool. I refuse to believe. I've yet to see someone in this day and age rock a mullet and I went, wow, that actually looks good. Mullets don't look good. Stop it. Let's just leave it to Joe Dirt. Okay, let him have it. While I was doing the rest of my face, I was listening to like oldie music. Is it like the 60s? I really don't know the time frame, but it's the style of music where, other than the kind of genre that I stick to, which is kind of popish. Oh, look at this. It's dark. Winter is coming. That's from Game of Thrones, right? I think I want to put this teal, which is mint condition. I know I didn't show you the rest of the shades. So this is transition, this is crease, this is lid, and this will be inner corner. I'm feeling like a rebel. Oh yeah, and I think that was a great choice. I love that this shows on my skin tone. I feel like it's still a soft look, so going with a lower lash line might help. Taking that transition shade and just, you know, doing this. Oh, but I was talking about music I was listening to, and my song of choice for this morning was Earth Angel. Earth Angel, Earth Angel, will you be mine, my darling dear? I love you all the time. Why they don't make music like this anymore? I could listen to that type every single day. I'm not even joking. Taking that crease shade, by the way. I feel like I need a liner for this. What do you guys think? I feel like it requires like a, you know, I know it's very tempting to just like try and make your line really straight and all of that, but the best way to do liner is to make sure you're looking straight so that you're more focused on how the liner looks when you're looking at people, as opposed to just like, hey, look at my line is really cute when I close my eyes. It doesn't work like that. Some of you are probably watching me put my eyeliner on and be like, slow down. Oh, natural lighting. You're a work of art. Focus. Guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna do this and then take pictures and then like, done. I didn't even fix my table for you. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. You've lost that love and feeling. I'm starting to sweat. Girl, I want to make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I should stop because it gets really dirty. Oh, you know, my older brother and I forget where we were going. I don't remember. Anyways, we were going somewhere and we were talking about, you know, like old songs. And by older, I mean like the stuff that we grew up listening to. And we brought up Bone Thugs and Harmony. You guys remember Bone Thugs? I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you're gonna either be honest or lie about this, but y'all didn't know all the lyrics to the songs, okay? Like Crossroads. Come on, you just mumbled the beat of the song. That's, am I wrong? Do you guys know all the lyrics? And if so, did you actually say it as fast as they did? Because I sure as hell didn't. And you're cracking up because I was trying to actually rap the lyrics and I know nothing. I know how the beat goes. Boom, 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 boom. I grew up with the Bones, but I don't know the lyrics and they just rap too fast. They're just a different level of rapping. In my head, I think like, yeah, I got this. I know how to rap. But in reality, when it actually comes out of the mouth, goes from the brain to the mouth, it's a different story. So he was cracking up at my attempt to be Bone Thugs and Harmony. And I don't blame him because I sounded like a fool, but it was funny. See you at the crossroads and you won't be lonely. See you at the crossroads. Oh, got a record deal. Memories. just realized how stupid I sounded rapping that song. But that's basically what I do. I mean, do you know all the lyrics to the songs you like? Hell no. And I ain't got time for it. I'm old. So I will just make it up and ask for forgiveness, because that's what you do with older people. You just understand. And I'm done. That is it. That is my get ready with me. Hope you enjoyed this little session today. Talking about some randomness and playing with some new eyeshadows. Oh, this look fresh. I'm just feeling spring. Is Easter here? Where the bunnies? Anyways, guys, thank you again for joining me. A full list of products will be listed down below as per usual. But for all of my other makeup looks, check me out on Instagram. First link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Oh, it's the thuggish ruggish bomb. It's the thuggish ruggish bomb. It's the thuggish ruggish bomb. 24/7. Well. We pray, we pray, we pray, we pray. Every day, every day, every day, every day. The follow me rose, weather is telling me I was close. I mean, bye.